camera.
You know, I really hate being here. Day after day after.
And all we can do is play this game.
Gee whiz.
That need that rotten food.
It's like, hope they never take it away from us.
And the first thing I'm gonna do when I get out of here is go after that son of mine that put me here. He took all my money, he's living high off the hog, and I'm here, eating chips for dinner.
And he doesn't even come and visit you.
No, I don't want him here. He knows I'll kill him if I ever see him.
Oh, my sisters did that. You know, I got so many of them, they all gained up on me. Because I'm the oldest, they all gained up on me.
Well, we know you're old, but... Now, we shouldn't tease each other. Bad enough, we're in here. I know. We gotta stick
So
together.
we need a plan. First of all, we have to get by that male nurse.
And male
But I
nurse?
saw him. He has a car. I saw him driving in here. I think we ought to get rid of him and take his car.
How should we get rid of him?
We must be able to find a weapon.
I can get rid of him.
Oz, how is my 3 favorite patients?
Oh, it's him.
Here's your water.
Yep, thank you.
I'm looking over your files, and it seems that we need to increase your medications. You 3 ladies are causing too much problems at the institutions.
I need to get out of here. I don't need more meds.
Me neither. I'm on enough as it is.
I don't see any way that you will get out of here. You are all considered nutso.
No, we're not.
This is a horrible place to be.
This is the blessed place for you.
No, we want to go somewhere else.
Reading the files, you need psychiatric helps, all 3 of you.
Oh, Rose, good, good. Oh, it's a tire. Oh, yeah, Rose, let's go. Let's go. The keys. The keys. Find the keys.
I gotta find the keys.
I saw him come with a car. Let's go.
I have the keys.
Ready, pocket. You know the color and the make?
What car was it?
Oh, and there's his car.
Yep, there it is.
And I think you should drive. You should have the honor because you killed him.
You're going to get in that side,
I know, but I want to unlock it first.
Oh,
Okay.
Rose, I'm so proud of you. We're out of there.
I know, isn't this wonderful?
Let's go before somebody looks for us.
Before they find us.
Find him and look for
Okay.
us.
Who are we after next?
I would like to go after my son.
All right.
The one that put me here and took all my money.
Okay, and where
But
does
we
he
gotta
live?
find something.
Okay, look for a weapon.
Gotta
Is there
find
anything
some
back
kind of
there?
a weapon.
No, I don't
He must
see
have
anything back
something.
here.
Let's look.
Nothing back
Oh.
here.
Oh my God, look what I found. I knew he was a nasty person. I told you.
Imagine a gun.
Whoa. Look at this. And
I used to use a gun. Do you know how to use it?
no.
I know how to use it.
Oh, all right. Then let's go. We're off. Now, he
We're
lives.
off to see the wizard.
Doesn't he live in
the
this
wonderful
corner unit
Wizard of
here?
Oz.
Doesn't he?
What?
Yeah, I did that.
I can't believe you left me in that stinking arsenal.
What is going on? Am I dreaming?
They had us in that rotten nursing home.
Where's your father?
We need his address.
Well, why do you guys want to know that?
You want to die? Give us his address.
All right, it's Worcester Lane. It's right down the road. It's only like a few miles. Please don't kill me.
I thought the bed was gonna.
Think we ought to kill him?
I think so.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, that left a big mess.
You shot him in the head.
Well, one shot did it.
Are we just gonna leave him here?
No.
We can throw him in the dumpster.
Good
There's a dumpster
idea.
out there.
That's what
Dumpster
we'll
out
do.
there.
The three of us should be able to pick him up.
Oh,
Teach him to put us away.
right.
Let's go.
Let's go get his father.
Now where we going?
Okay, who are we after next?
I don't know, but he ain't gonna take anything else from me again,
No.
is he?
And we can live in your house.
That's right.
Where are
We
you
can.
going to dispose of the body?
We'll take care
That's
of
a thought.
it. We'll take care of it. Who are we gonna get next?
Go after the big cheese, Rose. He's probably,
Big cheese, here we come.
yeah, he's probably,
Because he was nasty. Very nasty.
he doesn't care about the people
That
in
was the
home.
worst place, and you know, we didn't deserve to be in there.
No, we didn't.
There's nothing wrong with you, basically. There's nothing wrong with me, so we have to take a few mids. Big deal.
And I know we have to look out for Sophia,
Right.
but she's not bad.
Terrible.
You picking on me again?
That's all right, Sophia. We're gonna help you out.
Are you?
Yes.
Okay.
Don't worry. We're in this together.
Okay.
There we go.
Even though I am one of the oldest ones.
Okay, Blanche, you go take care of the security guard. Sophie and I'll go upstairs.
Okay.
Okay?
When I'm done,
Join us.
I'll meet you.
Join us?
There.
Sophia and Blanche. He's sleeping in there.
Yeah.
We're gonna drag him out and we're gonna fix him.
Are we?
Yep.
I think he's sleeping.
Is he sleeping?
What's going on here? Why? What's going on here? Let me go.
That miserable place you have over there, and we're all in there. Not anymore.
What? Who are you?
You'll
What's
see
going on
who
here?
we are in a
see.
minute.
What's
You
going
think
on?
we're old ladies, huh?
Let me out of here. Look,
This is who's there.
you crazy.
Aren't you
God.
sorry for how you
Hey,
treated
what's that?
us?
What's that? What's that? Where'd you get that? That's a gun.
Yeah, we got a gun.
And how's this for a knife?
That's a knife.
Yes.
We're gonna use them on you too.
What are you crazy? What? My brother?
it.
Are you the ones who killed Dr. Nina Schnasselbist?
Yes.
What do you
That's
think?
my brother.
Right.
You killed my brother.
Right,
You
you're all
crazy
mean.
broad.
You treated us mean.
You crazy. This is
And
in the
when we're done with you,
1920s.
we're gonna go back and run that home
You're
like a
fake.
country club.
You were living like a country club.
Oh,
Yeah,
You got
right.
gruel every day.
Gruel. We didn't like
Right,
it.
that's
Do
what
it.
it tasted like.
do
We
it.
let you out. Nah.
Look at that mess.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think
We don't have
that's...
to clean it up, do we?
No,
No, we're
we don't
just
have to
gonna
clean
leave
it
him
up.
here.